Here we are, February 8th, Goochland County, Orapax Plantation. Star City Whitetails on a good bird hunt today, pheasant and quail.
Storm. Whoa.
Nice, boys. Nice.
There you go.
Woo. Hunter. God.
Nice. Huh.
Hunter, here. Shot. Mark the camera guy. Got him. He'll got him. There ain't no hook. Get off the boat, bro. There ain't no here. Go.
Here he comes. Get him. Nice shot, Kevy. Yeah, you got it. Nice shot. How'd y'all do?
Huh? You in the bag. Not bad. Could be worse, right?
Pretty good harvest, gentlemen. Cooked quail on the grill, fresh from the field. Hey folks, Star City Whitetail Gang at the Orapax Plantation in Goochland County, Virginia. On a quail and pheasant hunt, we killed about 30 birds, had a great time. Great guide, Dan. Gentlemen, did we have a good time?
Sure. Yeah.
Check them out. Orapax Plantation, Goochland County, Virginia. Star City Whitetails. Thank you.